sorry, I didn't see you there. But now that I've caught your attention, how about we talk about Chapter 15, Section 1, Goals of an Informative Speech. Alright. So speeches that inform try to give more knowledge to its audience. So you're informing people that don't know much about a topic. So you become the teacher and the expert. You aren't trying to change these people's behaviors or, what they do. You're just trying to inform them about a topic that you have interest in, hoping that they eventually find interest in it. So there are 3 goals to an informative speech. To speak to enhance understanding, speak to maintain interest, and speak to be remembered. And we're going to go over those. So speaking to enhance understanding means that an audience member fully understands what you're trying to get across. So a perfect example that I think is, hey, do you know what horseback riding is? No, what's horseback riding? Horseback riding is when you ride on the back of a horse. So it's when you ride on the back of a horse? Correct. Boom. Audience member knew. I totally understood. So now he knows what horseback riding is. So I enhanced his understanding. Speaking to maintain interest. You might have certain terms, vocabulary, anything like that you want to use in your speech. However, you're informing these people on a topic, so they might not, first of all, know what they mean, and second of all, might be bored by them. So you have to keep interest. So, you can use illustrations, horse. That'll catch people's attention. They'll be drawn back in. You can ask questions. Do you know how much a horse weighs, average? Those things keep your audience connected to you. And then that leads right into speak to be remembered. Speaking to be remembered. We've talked about how a day, 2 days after a speech, probably about half will not remember your speech, depending on how interesting you are. So, us as speakers need to make sure that doesn't happen. So how we can do that is do what we did earlier. Illustrations, ask questions, seem interested in the audience. Seem interested in them learning about it, their questions, answer all their questions. Be knowledgeable so that you can answer their questions. And don't remember, also, draw attention to yourself. I picked out a very fine outfit today, and I'm sure that'll be remembered when I give this speech. So, to finalize everything, make sure your speech is remembered. That's how people will be informed. Thank you. Class is adjourned.